Clark's Indiana return. Was MLB's top prospect makes some serious noise? A true Clark on Clark showdown. And MLB number 7 prospect blasted a homer that Indiana won't forget. Max Clark may not have been homecoming king, but this week in Indiana, he shined like a star. The Tigers' top prospect hit a solo homer in a big win. Playing ball where I grew up means a lot, with family and fans cheering. The moment was extra special. From hometown hero to rising star, Max Clark's Indiana homecoming was unforgettable. What do you think about Max rise? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest updates.